Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add a debit card to your Zelle account. Just follow these steps so you can send and receive money easily. First, open the Zelle app. Tap Get Started to begin setting up your account. Enter the email address or phone number linked to your debit card. This is how others can find you to send money, since Zelle does not use traditional usernames. Next, tap Don't See Your Bank. On the Find Your Bank screen, you'll see a list of banks. To proceed with a prepaid debit card, select Don't See Your Bank again. Now enter your debit card details, including card number, first and last name, expiration date, security code, CVV. Tap Continue to move to the next step. Enter the billing address associated with your debit card. If your prepaid card didn't ask for an address during sign-up, check with your card provider to see if you can add one. Finish the account setup, and your debit card will be linked to Zelle. Note: Zelle only accepts Visa or MasterCard debit cards directly tied to a U.S. checking or savings account. It does not support credit cards, business debit cards, or cards from international accounts. Some prepaid Visa or MasterCard cards may work if they are linked to a U.S. bank and support your phone number email for enrollment, but not all prepaid cards are compatible. And that's it. Once you follow these steps, you'll be able to use your debit card with Zelle anytime.